Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be shedding light on the utmost best, low-risk entrepreneurial pursuits to pursue. What are they, you may ask? Well, the utmost best, low-risk entrepreneurial pursuits to pursue are those that allow you to work in the capacities of a live streamer and content creator. Content creators and live streamers are able to grow behemoth brands on social media platforms. They're able to create a copious amount of income generating assets and draw forth a myriad of recurring revenue streams. Content creators, for instance, produce videos and they're able to generate advertising revenue, subscription revenue, affiliate marketing revenue, recurring donations from patrons, and they're also able to earn sponsorship revenue and product placement revenue. And they can also earn royalties from selling custom-made print-on-demand merchandise that their target market buys to support their brand. Live streamers produce archivable live stream broadcasts. They're also able to earn advertising revenue, subscription revenue, donations, sponsorship revenue, affiliate marketing revenue, and they can also earn royalties from selling custom-made print-on-demand merchandise. So why are these the utmost best, low-risk entrepreneurial pursuits to pursue? Why is working in the capacities of a live streamer and content creator deemed to be the utmost best, low-risk entrepreneurial pursuits to pursue? Well, this is because there is pent-up demand for their content. People yearn to consume videos and archivable live stream broadcasts. Their target markets are enormous. Their primary source of revenue is not derived from product sales, but is rather derived from their content being consumed. People are more amenable to watching content than they are to buying products. And people are more profusely searching for content to watch than they are for niche products to buy. So there's more demand for free content than there is for premium priced products, to say the least. And people are eager to make donations, contributions, and provide support to their favorite prolific content creators and live streamers. It's much easier for your content to build traction and go viral if you're competing in sizable user-generated markets than it is if you're competing in niche user-generated markets in which customer demand for the content is infinitesimal due to there being a low customer base. A part of that market. It's much easier to be profoundly successful as a content creator or as a live streamer than it is to be profoundly successful as a global educator or as an author or as a musician. There's far more pent-up demand for free content than there is for paid products. That's the bottom line. So the best low-risk entrepreneurial pursuits to pursue are those that involve working in the capacities of a content creator and live streamer. You should always focus on producing engagement-worthy, viral-worthy, share-worthy, like-worthy, algorithm recommendation-worthy content that is apt to yield high engagement rates, high watch times, high audience retention rates, and high conversion rates. Your content should utilize the utmost search for keywords that are germane to your content as a metadata for your content. Your content should feature aesthetically appealing thumbnails and catchy titles. Your content should truly be novel, extraordinary, indelible. It should also be comedic, and you should encourage your brand advocates to disseminate your content to their friends, family members, and networks. You want your content to build traction and transcend into becoming viral content that can be life-altering. And it's much easier to be successful and become a world-renowned content creator or live streamer than it is to be successful as a global educator, author, or musician. Especially since people are reticent about paying for products when they have the autonomy to alternatively consume content that can captivate them. People do not need to expend money to be entertained, nor regaled, nor bedazzled. They can consume any content they deem fit from the existing, ever-growing, ever-expanding, sizable bodies of content that pervade social media websites. They do not need to acquiesce to relinquishing a penny to amuse themselves when content can be accessed for free. While you may not earn any money upfront by parting with your content for free, it can perhaps redound to your advantage in the long haul if it allows you to earn advertiser revenue, subscription revenue, donations, sponsorship revenue, product placement revenue, and even eventually earn affiliate marketing revenue, as well as royalties from selling custom-made print-on-demand merchandise that your target market is eager to buy to support your brand if they deem you to be one of their favorite content creators or live streamers. So I hope that you found this video to be insightful and enthralling. Do everything in your purview to cultivate behemoth brands across a multitude of disparate social media platforms. Do everything in your purview to attain strong brand loyalty, substantial brand recognition, and robust brand equity. Do everything in your purview to become a dominant market competitor in the user-generated content markets that you compete in, and do everything in your purview to optimize your chances to be successful as a prolific content creator and live streamer. Take anodyne measures to preempt yourself from failing, and do everything in your purview to move your life in a forward movement trajectory so you do not stagnate nor regress. Make inroads towards success each and every day. You may need to strategically work hard for at least 14 to 18 hours per day for at least 3 to 15 consecutive years to have a modicum of a chance of becoming profoundly successful as a content creator or as a live streamer. These low-risk entrepreneurial pursuits are truly warranted because if you are successful, it can redound to your benefit. It could provide you with revenue in perpetuity, even to the extent that your monetizable intellectual properties can even potentially generate revenue past the time span of your lifetime. Being a content creator and a live streamer yields very low startup costs on your end, and buying resources for your content is much more affordable than starting a traditional business and incurring enormous overhead costs and succumbing to insurmountable debt to do so. Your business operating costs as a content creator and as a live streamer, especially if you already pay for a broadband internet connection, are practically non-existent relative to operating a traditional business. Your channels exist on social media platforms. Your live streaming channels exist on live streaming platforms. On the other hand, if you run a traditional business, it may be domiciled in a city, and the monthly lease may cost a fortune that exceeds your monthly mortgage payments. I hope that you found this video to be insightful and enthralling. It's unbelievable how much content creators and live streamers can even earn in donations on a daily basis. It's not uncommon for profoundly successful live streamers to earn at least $5,000 in donations per month. Once again, I hope that you found this video to be intriguing and captivating. Have a blissful day. Goodbye.